Hi,
Hey, hi.
Rachel.
How's it going?
It's going. It's going. Thank you so much.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
This is being recorded, so I'm gonna just go on off mute and turn my camera off. There
Okay.
was one other individual signed up for this session, and I usually, oh, there we go. So I was gonna say I was gonna wait till they join. Hello, hi Matthew. Can you hear us? Me? One second here. My mouse is not working.
Okie dokie.
All right. And I'm going to start sharing my screen, but Matthew, can I just get confirmation in the chat or from you? Are you able to hear us? All good? Can you see? I saw you come off mute. I didn't hear you, but that's good. That's a good indicator. That's enough. All right. So, my name is Rachel Whitey. I'm the Director of Compliance Education here at FutureFeed. Diana Jennings is also with the FutureFeed team, and she's just joined today to learn more about the tool. But so far, it's just you, Matthew. So I saw, yep, great. I see your message in the chat. I'm going to start sharing my screen, and feel free to interrupt me or just pop your questions in the chat. I'll look there every once in a while. But I do have a couple of questions before I get started, just so I can kind of gauge your level of understanding on the tool. Matthew, have you been using FutureFeed, and have you attended the FutureFeed end user sessions, the training sessions, training session number 1 and 2? And I'm asking because that's our recommended training track for all FutureFeed users, both our partners, service providers, and just end users. Okay, okay. All right. Do you have an account? Do you have access to the tool?
Hello, can you hear me okay?
Yes. Hi, I can hear you now.
I fixed it. So we're currently going to be partnering with Summit 7 soon,
Okay.
and we're going to be utilizing their whatever portal or being invited to however they manage with their MSP clients.
Okay.
I'm not particularly sure how that will roll out to us, but we don't have access or a customer portal ourselves.
Okay.
Only what is going to be shared by Summit 7.
Okay. Well, then I do recommend we do not cover what I normally cover, only because what I display in show in this meeting are two tools that are provided and specific for our service partners to use. One of them is a cost. I do think Summit 7 is paying for it. It's called the template subscription. It's where they have an environment and they set up that environment however they want. I'm referring to like identifying control inheritance or shared responsibility, uploading certain documentation, pre-building the environment, right? So then every client that they bring on, they clone that environment and rename it for that customer, that client. And then they start adding in the system specific stuff for that customer. So that's one thing I go over here is that template subscription and how to set it up, and how who you need to request to get access to that. But Summit 7 does have that. The other thing I show is the document library, which I believe they are using as well. And prior to even getting into this, I do have folks sit through the end user trainings because that's where I'm going to teach you basic, how to use the tool. I cover all of the interfaces. So if you've not, seen that, and we just had a big chocolate release a few months ago, so the interface has really changed. I would recommend you go sit through that. Now, what I can give you is actually 2 links if you're interested to just watching a old session that was recorded like a month and a half ago. I could give you those links so you can watch those videos or share them with your team and watch them on your own time. But also, you're welcome to sign up for end user training session number 1 and number 2 as well.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll just sign up for the end user training. Sorry to waste your time. I think
Oh, no waste.
when we were looking at it,
Mhm.
it was very split-second decision yesterday,
Mhm.
and I think Ryan was like, "Hey, they're doing one tomorrow," and I was like, "Sweet, I'll sign up for it." Didn't look
Okay.
into it at all on the background info. So yeah, obviously, I'll definitely sign up for those preliminary trainings, and then I think I'll just start from there. It sounds like the best way to go.
Yeah, yeah, and then once you get access, and if you know that maybe you guys are gonna need that template subscription or a different document library, then, you could just request that yourselves, or if, like, you're gonna be working through Summit 7, just submit a request and, the support team will get a hold of you.
Yeah, sounds great.
Um, but no time wasted at all. How you signed up for this session, go back to that link, and
Click
that's
the left one.
yeah, you're gonna sign up for the
Yeah.
user sessions. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah, of
And
course.
I
I'll make
run
sure to
those
do that.
twice a week, so there's sessions for next week you could sign up.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
Do you have any other questions? I mean, I still can proceed with kind of showing you some of the interface, but
I mean, I'm familiar with the interface. I did do like a pretty in-depth demo. It really wasn't a year ago. It was at Seek East, which was earlier this year, I think,
okay.
or that was in November.
Mhm.
So it wasn't that long ago. But I think it just makes sense for me to hop into the normal trainings first. I'm familiar enough with the interface to understand the concepts and like where to go and everything. We just want to do this because it's something that DefCert is going to start doing pretty regularly, and I'm going to be the guy that's in there. So I was like, well, why don't I just schedule a training? So
Okay. All right. Well, then I'll see you in the user trainings.
yeah, of course.
Okay. Bye. Have a great afternoon.
You guys too. Thank you.
Diana, we can drop and I'll call you directly.
Okay, thank you.